Hello my viewers, you are welcome back to the part B, the second part of this tutorial, where I shall be showing you how to seal this cap. Now, as you can see, in the other video I told you how we got these 4 pieces and the reason. Now, out of the 4 pieces, I took 2 and I gum it with my gum stay like this, also like this. The reason is for the outer part of this cap to stand very well and beautiful. That's just the essence. Now, to start the sewing process properly, I'm going to take one of these, and I have the placement at the center of the cap at the top. This. I'm going to take one side and place it at the edge of this, like so. And I'm going to take a piece that does not contain this gum stay, and I will place it like this on it. And I'm going to seal. I will seal like this to this end. So let me quickly do that, after which I show you how it's going to look. Now the sewing has been done. As you can see, I first place this one, after which I lay this one on it. Then I place the other piece of this one on it, and I seal from this edge to this edge. Now I'm going to open it this way. This is what I have. Okay, now I open this. After opening this one, I'm going to take the other two pieces, and I'm going to do exactly what I've done on this. I will place this one like so, place it, like this. Haven't placed this one like this, then I bring this one, then I place it again on this, and I'm going to seal from this edge to that edge. So I'm going to show you. You'll see when I come back. Yes, I'm back again. I've sealed the second face round to this place, to this end, exactly what I did to the other part. Now the essence of me using another not using the matching thread is for you to be able to see what I've just done clearly. That's just the reason. Else I would have used a matching thread for this particular one. Now to turn it, now I'll have something like this. This one comes here, then I have it like this. So the next thing for me to do now is to open up this like this. Open it up this way. As you can see, now I'm going to seal this edge to this end. Equally, I'll also turn it and do likewise to this edge too. I will sew from this, close this place up. So I will come to show you as well. So I've sealed this edge from here to here, and I've also sealed from here to this end. Now I'm going to turn it inward like this. Now, after this, the next thing I shall be doing right now is to pick up this, which I'm going to seal to the base of this cap. But before then, there is a ribbon I shall be using to tape from this curved edge to the other end. I'm going to show you right now. This is the ribbon. Now, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to turn it this way. Then I place the ribbon. I'm going to make sure I trim this off. Okay. Then I place my ribbon this way. And I will first do this first sewing to the other hand. I will be right back. Now, as you can see, the first face has been done. Okay, sewing it to this edge to the other end. Now I'm going to fold it outward this way. Turn it this way, and I will fold it outward like so, and I will sew it round. See, this is the way it was. Then I fold this in like this, so I will sew it to the end. So let's go. Now, as you can see, the sewing has been done. So easy. It's something you can do all by yourself. It's so easy to make, very, very easy and convenient. So the next stage now is to take my cap now and attach it to the base. I'm going to show you. So this is the cap. Now I will look for the midpoint, the center point, like this. Now I'm going to start by sewing one of the edges like this. I will sew it all round. By the time I'm done, I will show it to you for you to see. Now, as you can see, I've sewn it starting from here. Okay, the side part, the center part of the side, I started here. That's the first layer. I took it round, sew it round, after which I ended the sewing here. This is where I ended the sewing. Now, I will now bring it in. This way, and I will fold this one outward like this. Bringing it out like that. So this one will be on the front part of the head, and our cap is ready. If you like this video, Please, for those of you that have not subscribed to my channel, please do, so that each time I release new videos, and make sure you turn on your notification bell or button so that you will get notified. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching my video. Please click on the like button to appreciate my work. Then share my video as well. We shall meet again. Thank you very much.